Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be unboxing the very new scent edit from Look Fantastic, and this is what it looks like. It was released a couple of days ago. It retails for £55. It contains 5 little mini fragrances and 4 mini beauty products. Plus, when you buy it, you'll receive an email with a digital voucher for £55, which can be used to purchase any of the products in this box but a full-size version, including, say, a 30ml perfume. I like the fact that you can use the voucher now towards the beauty products in there as well, so it's just opening it up a little bit more for you, because I'm sure it was just the perfumes before. But yeah, if you're interested in this for yourself, then you will find a link to it down below in my description, as well as links to all of Look Fantastic's other beauty boxes and any offers they've got currently running, including all my discount codes from them. I do have quite a few, so you'll find them all listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. But yeah, let's get on to showing you then what's inside the brand new scent edit. I love these boxes. They've sealed it like they seal their monthly beauty boxes. And what's the first thing I do? Rip it apart. I still don't know how to open it properly. I've got it. I'm in there now. So there we go. We have got a QR code. Well, let's scan that to see if I can give you any extra information. Woo! It's just taken me to the fragrance section. Look Fantastic. But I've given you all the information about it anyway. So starting off then with the perfumes, and my number one. This is my number one perfume. I love this, and I got a little mini. It's Libre by Yves Saint Laurent. That writing was super small. There's 7.5 mils there. I love it. I absolutely love it. I've got a full size version. I've got probably just over a third left of it. So do I buy myself another one with the voucher? Oh, I just love it. I love it. It's such a beautiful smell. It's so nice. I'm not the best at describing scents, so looking on the website, I can tell you a little bit about each of these perfumes as we go along. There's lots of information about this. Oh my gosh, okay. The basics. Vibrant top notes of tangerine, neroli and aromatic lavender exhilarate, reveal a sun-drenched heart of jasmine and radiant Moroccan orange blossom. A creamy base of Madagascar vanilla and white musks wraps the composition in effortless sophistication. There you go. That is Libre by Yves Saint Laurent. Back to front. Then we got Alien by Mugler. This is Eau de Parfum 6 mils. And can't remember what this is like. I got a feeling I don't like it. Gotta be honest. There's no point me saying, oh, I love them all. They're amazing. Because we're all different, aren't we? I have a hunch I'm going to think it's too sweet. We'll see now. Ah, oh, that's all I can smell is the Libre. Oh, okay, let's try a little bit on there. What is wrong with my senses? That's quite nice. What? That's not too bad. That is a nice smell. Why do I think I don't like this? Is there something else by this brand maybe I don't like? Getting confused. The distinctive floral woody aroma centres around the wonderful scent of jasmine, alluring and intoxicating. Their enigmatic eau de parfum combines warm cashmere wood and white amber with jasmine sambac, an elixir that captures the essence of feminine sensuality. And then it goes on to tell you about the full size then, about that it's housed in a refillable bottle. Yeah, that's nice. Oh gosh. Yeah, a bit baffled with that one. So then we got Alien by Mugler. And then we got C by Giorgio Armani. Eau de Parfum 7 mils here. I do remember having this in a previous scent edit box from Look Fantastic. And I used the voucher to get a bottle for my friend for her birthday. Let's try my finger there. Let it die down a bit. It's a nice perfume, but it's not one I would actually go out and buy myself. Let's see if the fragrance description sort of explains why. How it's different to all the other ones I like. Top notes, blackcurrant liqueur. Heart notes, rose de mai absolute, freesia. Base notes, patchouli and oak moss. Modern with an air of sophistication, C by Giorgio Armani blankets the wearer in a warm embrace of resinous florals with fruity bursts of cassis in the opening for contrast. It's a nice perfume, but not one I would spend my £55 voucher on for me. There's that. Then we've got Idol Now. This is by Lancome. There's 5 mils here. I've had an Idol in a beauty box, in a scent edit box then, and I've actually bought a big idol with a £55 voucher. Look Fantastic have been doing them for a while. The only thing is about these bottles, they look smart. They look really smart. Great in a handbag for this, but even the full-size versions are this tall, very narrow bottle, and they don't stand up, you know, they don't stand up well. You have to literally lean it up against something. It's not a big issue. So Lizzie, what this smells like then? Where shall I put it? On the side there. Ooh. It's got orange. I think it's got orange in it. It's got a farm smell to it as well. What is the farm smell? If you're a subscriber, then you'll know what I mean. Some perfumes, I can't help but think of farms when I smell them. Floral Street have one that smells like farms. And this has got an edge. But it's nice as well. It is really nice. It's unusual, but it has got that farm. What causes it to smell like a farm in my brain anyway? I don't know. I live in rural Wales. There's tractors, farmers, farms all around me. I got friends who are farmers, so it's nothing nasty, but I just don't want to smell like one, that's all. All right then, introducing a floral fragrance for the bold and individualistic woman, starring an incandescent blend of florals. The uplifting scent stars exquisite rose absolute derived from Isparta, Turkey, which leads into a luxurious orchid heart. The addictive fusion encounters sensuality and allure with a base of creamy vanilla emerging as a hypnotic trail. So we got Lancome Idol now. Then we got another one. This is a little teeny tiny sample. I think this is what, 1 mils, 1.2 mil. This is La Vie est Belle and it's by Lancome, as I just mentioned. Got a little squirty one. Okay. Oh, that smells nice. It smells of my friend, another friend. I wonder if she wears this. Oh, it does. It just reminds me of her straight away. A coveted floral perfume that inspires and ignites a passion for life. I love the descriptions of these perfumes. A reimagining of a signature scent. It plays with the addition of magnolia essence to create a sparkling olfactory experience. The EDP opens with a ripe burst of pear and blackberry before capturing the romance of orange flower and jasmine sambac at the heart. It settles on a rich base of patchouli essence that has been sustainably sourced to create an opulent olfactive experience. Okay. No, where did I spray? Oh. I sprayed it in the air. Now, would I get this one? What do I prefer? Those are the 5 perfumes anyway. I'll go on to the beauty now, but if I was to choose a perfume, would I go for that one? Okay, now on to the beauty. First up, Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And we've got 15 mils here. Love this. Loved it for years and years and years. I just found out that Urban Decay are closing their website. Their website is going to be no more. They're still operating, they're still selling, but they're going to be just doing it to online retailers like Look Fantastic then, so they won't be having their own proper store. At least they haven't stopped. But this setting spray is amazing. It's my staple. It has been for years. It's so, so good on a night out. You go in somewhere and you want your makeup to stay put all day. Yeah, it's one of the best ones. I really like it. So there's that. Then we've got a IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream for all skin types. It's a anti-aging, armor, transforming, moisturizing super cream. There's 7 mils here, and I have tried it. It's a nice cream. I've had a little sample before in a different beauty box. There. So it feels really nice and creamy. Yeah, it is a nice cream. Transforming, moisturising super cream. So there's that. Then we've got Kiehl's. This is Midnight Recovery Concentrate, a replenishing elixir of pure essential oils and distilled botanicals to visibly restore the appearance of skin by morning. There's 4 mils here, and this is what I'm thinking of spending my £55 on. I had a bottle of this years ago. I bought it on a flight. Oh, look, sorry, I've got cream on my fingers. I bought it on a flight back from Malta years and years ago. It doesn't leave my skin sticky. It feels amazing on my skin. It smells amazing on my skin. So perfect for a nighttime routine. It's just really nice. It's really nice oil. Yeah, so I am seriously thinking of getting one. Face oil. And then lastly, we've got Lancome. This is Genifique, Advanced Genifique. This is a youth activating concentrate. And this is a serum, the 7ml here. I have got some Lancome skincare that I can't wait to use, ready in my ready to use pile. I have used this many times. I've received it in different beauty boxes and I've taken it on holiday with me because it's a nice handy pot size, isn't it? And it's a nice serum. But yeah, what do you think? Do you think I should go for the full size of this? I have got quite a few serums. Have any of you tried this and you absolutely love it to the point where you would buy the full-size version? I'd love to hear what you think. But yeah, so there you go. So those are all the products. We got 5 fragrances, 4 beauty products, and you get a £55 voucher then that is emailed to you that can be used on any of these products in the box, but full-size versions. I'd love to know your thoughts if you bought a box for yourself or you bought a box as a Christmas present for someone, or are you watching this thinking, I don't know. I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.